Hey guys, in this one we're talking about how to add a credit card on Google Pay. So make sure that you firstly, of course, have a Google account, and then you can navigate to Google Pay, and all of the services are pretty much connected. It's one ecosystem, and let me now explain. Alright, so you just go into Google Wallet right over here. Sorry for the language, I have no idea where to change it, but pretty much this is going to be your main page. And here you can see this blue button. It says add a payment method just in my local language. You just click on this. And then as you can see, what do we need here? We need a card number that you input right over here in this field. Of course, the expiry date, month and year, and the CVC also is needed. And also you need to input the name and second name on your card, just like you have it on your card. Type it in here. Then, of course, make sure to choose the postal code, depending on where you are. And then what's going to happen, they will draw a very small sum of money from your account, and then of course they will refund it, don't worry. That is done to check if your card is not fake, that it's functioning, it's working, and then after this little verification method, you will be easily having your card in the wallet, and you can go ahead and pay at the terminals in the shops and enjoy the contactless NFC payments. So pretty easy to do. Enjoy. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe.